you from a collab with Kiki's DIY. So the request requires that you use things from your stash. So I will be using this paint can and some spray paint that I actually had in my stash. I hope you guys enjoy and check out the playlist as well. Here I'm just cleaning out the paint can, getting it all cleaned up so that we are able to use it. And there you have it, all clean. Now we're gonna take this tape and we're gonna wrap it around the handle because we want to preserve the handle so that we're able to spray paint the entire can. And as you can see, you just continue to wrap it around, make sure you're getting everything covered until you reach the end. So we have some blue spray paint left over and we're gonna go ahead and get to spraying. I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. And here's the final look of the paint can. I thought it was a nice touch. And inside, she can keep her little keepsakes, whatever you would like. Here's a picture frame that I actually found while I was cleaning out my garage, and I decided that it would be the perfect piece for this video. We're just gonna dismantle it and take all the pieces out of it so that we can get it prepped for painting. Now is a great time to clean all the pieces since we have it dismantled. And here we're going to go in with a different shade of blue in order to make this piece stand out. And here's the completed look. We decided to put a little saying inside in order to motivate us daily when she wakes up.